Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetic YouTube channel. In this video, we will see inheritance in Java. Before this video, we have made a lot of videos on OOPS properties, basic of Java, and a lot of things. So you can watch them and please do subscribe our YouTube channel to encourage us to make these type of content. So let's start. So what exactly inheritance in Java or in any programming language? Basically, inheritance is one of the main properties of OOPS, object-oriented programming. Okay, if we talk about general way of inheritance, like we inherit some properties, some features, some basic qualities from our parents. Okay, so in the same way, inheritance we use in object-oriented programming. So the very basic example we can understand here from here. Let's say there is one class in our Java program, and that class is using some properties and attributes and method of other class. Okay, let's say for example, class B is using all attributes and methods of class A. How we will do, we will understand by practical in other video. In this video we will only understand the theoretical part of this inheritance. Okay, so what exactly is class A? Because class B is inheriting some properties or method or attribute from class A. So class A is our parent class or superclass. And what is class B? Class B is child class, subclass. Okay, so whenever we are going to understand about inheritance, we need to understand very basic terminologies related to inheritance that is very common. Okay, so first one is parent class, as we have understand from last example that parent class is nothing but that class which is being inherited, or the qualities that is inherited to other class. Okay, so we can use parent class as base class or super class. We can refer parent class as base class or super class also. So what is super class? Super class is the class from where a subclass inherits the feature. Okay, what is child class? Child class is nothing but that inherits some feature from parent class. Okay, so subclass is a class which inherits the other class, also known as extended class or derived class. What is extends? Extend, this is a keyword that we use generally to uh, derive an existing class. Okay, when we create some new class that inherit some feature from another class, at that point of time we use extend keyword. Okay, so what exactly is inheritance? Let's understand this in practical way. See, if we see that class animal, this is our base class or parent class. Okay, so here we are using class animal public void run. So run is our method that is inside of class animal. Here what we are able to see, class tiger extend animal. So this is how we use inheritance in our Java programming. Okay, we will write first class tiger, whatever the child class will be, and we can use this extend keyword to extend or inherit feature from whatever class. Okay, and whatever class will be here referred as base class or parent class. So this tiger is subclass or child class. We use extend keyword to inherit properties. Here we are creating one object, ti underscore obj is equal to, and here from ti underscore obj from object, we can easily call this method because we have already extended the class from. So this is how we can use derived method from our parent class. This is all possible due to, or because because OOP has one property, that is inheritance. Okay, there are a lot of type of inheritance on the basis of class. So we will study only three types on the basis of class, and on the basis of other things we will see those type of inheritance in different videos. But in this video, there are three types of inheritance on the basis of class. So single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. We can easily see that we can inherit some properties or extend the class from A to B. That is very simple. So in our last example, we can clearly see this is the example of single inheritance. Okay, if there is one example, class animal, class tiger. Let's suppose he baby tiger we create one more class and we extend this tiger class in that. So that will be our multi-level inheritance. We will see all these type of inheritance in example in Eclipse in another video. In this video we will only see the theoretical things. And the last one is hierarchical. Class A is derived, class B is derived from A, and class C is derived from class A. So this is all about inheritance. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this thing, then please let us know in the comment box, so we will sort it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our YouTube channel, that is TechNative. Thank you.